Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here to show you some creative ways of cooking Australian red meat over fire. Why? Because it makes me feel liberated, and I want to pass this on to your family, friends and customers. It provides flavour, theatre and romance for your outdoor event. Today's dish, lamb Arosticini skewers. These are derived from the lamb shoulder and cut into 3 to 4 centimetre cubes and then threaded onto a skewer and cooked over flaming charcoal in a barbecue called a Panzanella, which resembles a street gutter. Lamb shoulder is a flavoursome cut, and that's why we've chosen it today with these wonderful skewers. It's got a nice amount of fat, a nice amount of meat to provide plenty of flavour in the cooking process. So with this lamb shoulder, we've removed the bone. So we're just going to bring that shoulder back, expose the meat and segment it down the seam line, and then we're going to take these sinews of fat off. So we've got wonderful product to skewer onto our skewers. It's important to have your lamb the same size, so when they're on the grill, the skewers cook evenly. These skewers are a ritual for me. Debone it, simplicity, over fire, sitting on a milk crate with a cold drink, enjoying family, friends and good food. Pro tip, we'll use this fat to put on the grill and lubricate it before we put our red meat over the coals. So I've soaked the skewers. Why have I soaked these in water before skewering them? Because then the skewers won't catch fire when I'm cooking on the barbecue. So we want to thread these straight through the centre of the cubed piece of lamb. We want to keep them together and mould it with our hands. And we want to make sure we take the meat right up to the top of the skewer. This is so the top of the wood doesn't burn. And then we just mould it there, and there's our first skewer. Now we're going to add our oil and our salt and pepper and onto the Panzanella salad. I've got the tomatoes, cucumber, Spanish onion, crusty bread, basil and red wine vinaigrette. This salad brings texture, flavour and vibrancy to the lamb Arosticini skewers. I really enjoy at the end of the year going to our conference and meeting all the producers and talking to them about what their challenges are, learning from them, listening to them, so I get that experience and I can pass that on with my story to the consumer or chef. So there you have it, lamb Arosticini skewers and Italian Panzanella salad. Join me next time where we'll have plenty more adventures over open fire with Australian red meat.